Now we're finished. I'm finished with the channel. I'll play on my own. I'm not bored. It's just that's what it is normally. Sometimes it happens like that. Oh, okay. Let's see the comments. Locked to crazy. No, what was the code? Okay. I'm pressing all the buttons because I have to. Noob, what's the right code to redeem? I don't know how to redeem the code. It might not trust it for this play. It might not work. I've got a lot of air. So, because it is very important to put your seatbelt on in the plane. Well, I'm gonna drown. Yes, I made it. Actually, I didn't want to drown. I survived. Okay, noob is back. Okay, I see Say-Chan's back again. Acidic Corvins. Press. Come on. Okay, so I pressed. Come on. Jump on. And so on. What's going on? Okay. You have to go there. You survived. You as well. Difficulty increased to insane. The Old Game's Insane by I Am Emil Mako. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, so we go there now. Jump. Simply jump. And then you have to jump over that. Oh my god. I'll lock the lift to crazy. Diana's locked the lift to crazy. Oh, there's another boy. Oh, there's another friend. It's Brand Noob. Brand Noob and Say-Chan and Brand Noob. Let's do whatever comes up. Let's do whatever comes up now. X-Sci Facility by Ethan Wu. This guy was part of Escape Z, I guess. Well, on first they had something like this on over FE3, but it's Dark Sci Facility Test instead. I'm not a big fan of this map. I'm not very good at doing this map. Okay, the lava stops rising after 5 seconds. Oh no. X-Sci Facility is so hard that I can't concentrate on this map. Hexagon Tower is actually hard, like X-Sci Facility was. Whoa! Oh my god! Oh my god! What on earth? Sedimentary Temple redo. Okay, I'm just gonna wait here. Wait, what? Why on earth? Whoa. Oh dear. Brian Noob has died. Oh dear. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Okay, now you go there. Okay, now you go there. And you press the buttons. I'm gonna go press this button, bro. Actually, you can press this button. Okay, so I've gave you permission to press the button. Okay, I'm getting permission to press this button. Wait, isn't he like flying? Oh no, because the flying is not. Yo, get away from the lava. Ooh. Ooh. It is very important. Checking. Difficulty increased to insane. Hexagon tower again. Elementary temple reader. Hexagon tower. Waiting for server. Acidic caverns. Hard by Camille 8. The only map is missing to survive is Pixelated Facility. The only map I can't survive is Pixelated Facility. Go there. Go on. Okay, you have to share this server. Because it's not only my server, this is somebody else can join the server as well. Like my brother said, it wasn't my private server. Wow. Noob, up here now. Whoa, whoa, whoa. In there. Difficulty increased to insane still. Hexagon tower again. Whoa, Hexagon tower is so boring. I don't like Hexagon tower. This is kind of a long map. Like Azure. Okay, this color looks a bit like Azure Ruins. Try hard. Okay, Okay. Oh no, I don't know where to go next. You have to look where you're going. I wish this map was easy. Okay, back here again. Sedimentary temple redo. I'm going to survive again, like I did before. You go there, and you press, and you go there. Oh, don't. I don't want to die. I don't want to die. No, I don't want to die. I don't want to die. Don't. Don't. I don't want to die. I don't want to die. Don't do this to me. Don't. Yes. What? Why would you like to play this map all the time? You press this button. Noob can press the button, and I can press the last button in it. Okay. This is not usually. I normally press the buttons on this full escape. Okay. And now you have to press the button. Oh no, I'm the only one left. Oh my god. Why on earth? Difficultly return to normal. Planet Nebula normal by X Sky Warrior X. Okay, it wasn't a good idea to go to normal. Whoa, noob, get out of there now. Okay, I think, okay, so noob has rescued. Oh, I don't want the same thing to happen to me. Okay, okay, go there. Hello, the boy. Whoa, whoa, careful. Okay, 9:55, we have to stop. Difficulty increase hard. I hope it's something the same or different. Okay, this is different. Pixelated facility. Okay, it's an old map. This map has been put when I was 8 years old. Okay, get here. Young lad, get up here. I don't want you to get dead. Okay, who's left? Okay, Noob and me are the only ones left now. This is my friend right here. Say-chan can come. Okay, I have to go there. I have to press the button. After such a long time. Well, no, not good enough. Oh look, the lift to crazy because I don't want to use all my gems. I don't want to use up all my gems. Planet Nebula normal by X Sky Warrior X. Okay, have to go there. Go there. Okay, I'm a big fan of this map as well. I'm a big fan of all maps which aren't hard. Okay, this is kind of an easy map. Press all the buttons. Walk. Okay, where's he gone? Okay, I'm the only one left now. Say-chan left the game. Again. What's a sad thing? Oh, it's good to leave the games. Because Say-chan is going to play something else now. 1 of 2 survived. Difficulty. Well, okay, so now we're going to Purple Sector. Purple Sector is my favorite map because this acid is purple. I had a stamp which is purple stamp, green stamp. Okay, this is blue. Purple. Purple is my favorite. Okay, go. Go on. Checking you survived. Difficulty increased to normal. Aquatic normal by Camille, 8 and Charzy. Okay, my air, infinite air, I should have had in. Okay, emote, press the button. Oh. Okay. Okay, get out of here. Press all the buttons. Oh. You have to go on. All the way. I'll land on that. Okay, now you go in the swimming thing, and then I don't get wet when I swim, when I play a game. No, in Roblox we don't get wet if I swim in water. See? Yeah, look. Checking you survived.